Are you on the hunt for a trustworthy manufacturer of commercial deep fryers? Lots of suppliers just resell goods, but we are the real source. Factory based in Guangzhou, China. This is Guangzhou Shangbang. Commercial electrical equipment Co. Ltd. We handle nearly every step of production right in our own workshop. You're seeing our laser cutting machines, shaping raw metal sheets, followed by precision bending for our fryer, hazens, no outsourcing, for our core metal parts. After sheet metal work, our team moves on to full-on electrical assembly. Every wire, every component is carefully fitted and checked by our skilled workers. We keep full control over quality from raw material all the way to finished units. This is a computer board fryer. This is the power button. This is the temperature key. This is the time key. It's powered on now. This is the state of the single cylinder motor. To turn it on, press long for 3 seconds to turn it on. Bar 0 is in an unheated state. The bar is starting to heat up. Set temperature. Long press this temperature button. If you want 180, click 180. Press the time button again to confirm. Time, that temperature has been set. Before any fryer leaves are planned, we run real-world performance testing just like this. If you want durable, high-performance commercial deep fryers, skip the middleman. Work directly with the original manufacturer, Shangbang, your reliable source factory in Guangzhou.